Okay, students, once again, good morning. So we are going to start with another tool, that is your surface. See, you have to go here on the surface, and what is this tool and why we are going to use it? Let's see. So you have to just activate this light box. Okay, so you will find many patterns over here. It is a ready-made pattern, so you can directly use this. So you have to just click on the surface, you have to click on the light box noise maker, and you can use this particular pattern or any pattern, whatever pattern it's available, you can directly use that particular patterns. And I'm just going to activate this or this, or might be this particular pattern. This pattern is ready for you. Just once again click on the light box and it's there. Now to edit and change, what you can do is just click on the edit button over here. So you'll find this particular thing. Now we have to rotate this. So just search for the angle. You have angle X and you have angle Y and you have angle Z. So just check it out which angle will work for you, Y and Z. Scale it. Just scale it. I'm just going to alpha scale this and just offset this. Angle is very rigid in this particular pattern. So I'm just going to cancel this and I'm just going to take another pattern from here. I'm just going to take this particular pattern. So it is available. I'm just going to click on the light box. So this pattern is available. And whatever changes is needed, you can just directly do it from here. Once again, just check it, the angle. Now it is, in this particular thing, the angle is active and ready. See this. So you can just change the angle, any angle, you can X, Y, Z, and even if you can scale it like this. Or if you want to make it double, just press 2. I think it's 1 only. So you can just scale it from here. X, Y and Z direction. And if you want to offset, you can offset this. You can offset in X, Y and Z direction. And the strength is from here. You can increase and decrease the strength from here. And in between noise, you can add from here. See this. There is a noise. So you can add a little bit of noise from here. Once it's there, you can just say OK, and it's there for you. It's just a visual representation. We have not still applied it. That particular texture, what we are seeing, is just an illusion. It is not yet applied. So even if you do some changes here, suppose if I just scale it, see, it is not applied. It is just an illusion. It is just a projection, right? So whatever you do now, whatever model, it is just an illusion. It is not yet applied. In order to apply that, just make sure you click on this particular option. What is this? Apply to mesh. So just click on that, apply to mesh. Now it is done. Now see, if I just try to, now it is stretching. So it is important to anytime just activate this particular option, apply to mesh, and then it is done for you. Shift F, so you can see the detailing part. So we have applied with the texture also. Once again, one more example we're going to learn and see. Just going back from here. Let's say we want to generate a simple noise, a noise pattern. Okay. So what you can do is just activate this noise pattern. Okay. And from here, I'm just zoom out, and now you can create your own pattern from here. Say this. Check the strength. How much strength is needed? See the strength part. See the noise scale. How much scaling is needed? And you can generate your own pattern from here. See. So the whatever pattern is needed or required, you can generate from here your own pattern. And you can play with the noise scale also. See this. You can play with the noise scale like this. You can scale it, and you can just play with the pattern now. See. So whatever pattern is needed or required, you can just directly generate from here your own pattern. Simple, clear? So this is all about your surface tool, and I'm just going to decrease the strength. See now. Just click on the OK. So you have this. Right now, once again, still it is an illusion of projection. Just make sure, just click on the apply to match icon. So it is there for you. Clear? Simple. Now, once again, I'm just going to use clay buildup and drag option from here, and I'm going to apply some alpha. Okay, I'm just going to import some alpha. D drive, Kailash student. So I'm just going to import all this. Okay, and this particular pattern I want to apply over here. So what is the challenge now? When you just try to drag this, I'm just going to increase the intensity. So what is the challenge and issue here? We're going to see that. I'm just going to strengthen a bit. Okay. See, it is fading from here and here, top and bottom, right? It's okay, but suppose if you want a little perfection in that, what you can do is just go to the brush over here. Just click on the brush from here. Just come to the brush and just click on this particular icon. So it is available to you over here. Go to the curve and just click on the edit curve here. Just click on the curve and you can define a pattern. Now see, if I just take out that particular round icon from there, and now see it is properly done for you. Simple. If I just simply erase this, all this thing, and now if I just try to sieve that, it's gone, and I'm just dragging that. See now. Simple. And without this, if it is like this, now see what happens. Clear? The difference between these two, see this from here. So if you are struggling with, like, if you want a proper fine art, or like, if you don't want to just fade this thing, so just activate this, just take it here and now just drag it, and that's done for you. Okay. Thank you.